Hello everyone, my name is Athilah binti Muhammad JAMIL and my metric number is D2020109245. In this video, I would like to present about Chapter 5 Elasticity on subtopic of Price Elasticity of Demand. Based on the table of content, I will explain the introduction first and followed with slope and elasticity, types of elasticity and how to calculate elasticities. Introduction. Economics commonly measure market responsiveness using the concept of elasticity. Elasticity quantifies how sensitive one variable is to a change in a second. How does demand for a product respond when its price changes? This is known as the price elasticity of demand. When price rise, quantity demanded can be expected to decline. When price fall, quantity demanded can be expected to rise. The normal negative relationship between price and quantity demanded is reflected in the downward slope of demand curves. Here you can see two different graphs of quantity demanded, which is the graph on the left side is measured in pounds and the graph on the right side is measured in ounce. The curve on the left side has a slope of -1/5 and the curve on the right side has a slope of -1/80. The numerical value of slope depends on the units used to measure the variables on the axis. To correct this problem, we convert the change in price and quantity to percentage. In general, elasticity is defined as the ratio of the percentage change in one variable to the percentage change in a second. So, price elasticity of demand is simply the ratio of the percentage change in quantity demanded to the percentage change in price. The formula for price elasticity of demand is percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. Percentage change should always carry the sign plus or minus of the change. Positive change or increases take a positive symbol, while negative change or decreases take a negative symbol. The law of demand implies that price elasticity of demand is nearly always a negative number. Price increases will lead to decreases in quantity demanded and vice versa. Thus, the numerator and denominator should have opposite signs, which is resulting in a negative ratio. Here you can see two types of elasticity, which is perfectly inelastic demand and perfectly elastic demand. Perfectly inelastic demand is demand in which quantity demanded does not respond at all to a change in price, while perfectly elastic demand is demand in which quantity drops to zero at the slightest increase in price. There are 5 zones of elasticity. Firstly, perfectly elastic. Any very small change in price results in a very large change in quantity demanded. Second is relatively elastic. Small change in price cause large change in quantity demanded. Third is unit elastic. Any change in price is matched by an equal change in quantity. Fourth is relatively inelastic. Large change in price cause small change in quantity demanded. And the last one is perfectly inelastic. Quantity demanded does not change when price is changed. So now let's move on to the next topic, which is elastic and inelastic demand and unitary elasticity. Elastic demand is a demand relationship in which the percentage change in quantity demanded is larger than the percentage change in price in absolute value. Unitary elasticity is a demand relationship in which the percentage change in quantity of a product demanded is the same as the percentage change in price in absolute value. Inelastic demand is demand that responds somewhat but not a great deal to change in price. Next, let's see on how to calculate percentage change. This is on how to calculate percentage change in quantity demanded and percentage change in price. From these two calculations, we can calculate the price elasticity of demand, which is percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. Last but not least, learning outcomes. You will understand why elasticity is preferable as a measure of responsiveness to slope and how to measure it. And you also will be able to calculate the elasticities using several different methods. That's the end of my presentation. I hope you enjoy my video. Thanks for watching.